Hey there, in this video we are going to be making this easy keto-friendly recipe for fried chicken at home. This recipe keeps the carbs count low at about 2.5 grams by using almond flour and Parmesan cheese for the breading. You'll need 30 minutes, 20 minutes prep and 10 minutes for cooking. Before we begin, please take a quick moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more delicious simple keto recipes. Now, let us take a look at the ingredients you're going to need. For the chicken, 4 boneless skinless chicken thighs and canola or vegetable oil for frying. For the egg wash, you are going to need 2 large eggs and 2 tablespoons heavy whipping cream. For the breading, you are going to need 2/3 cup almond flour, 2/3 cup finely grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon table salt, a half teaspoon ground black pepper, a half teaspoon smoked paprika and a half teaspoon ground cayenne. Now, for the instructions. Let's begin by prepping the chicken. Use your knife to chop each chicken thigh into 3 evenly sized pieces. If there's any excess fat, you can remove that too. Also, if your chicken is moist, use paper towels to pat the pieces dry, and then set it aside. Next, prep your egg wash by whisking the eggs and heavy cream in the bowl until combined and a pale yellow in color. For your breading station, add all the other breading ingredients and mix them well in a separate bowl until there are no clumps. Also, prepare a large baking tray to hold your breaded chicken by lining it with parchment paper. Okay, we are now ready to start breading the chicken. You should work with 1 chicken piece at a time. Start in the breading bowl by coating the chicken first, and then dip it into egg wash bowl, followed by another coating in the breading bowl. Place each breaded chicken piece on the parchment paper lined tray as you bread each chicken piece one after the other. Set your deep fryer with oil inside to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you do not have one, you can just pour 1 to 2 inches of oil in a pot and heat it on medium-high heat to the same temperature. It is important that you maintain that temperature throughout the frying process. Finally, it's time to fry the chicken. Depending on the size of your pot, carefully lower 4 to 6 breaded chicken pieces into the hot oil. Let them fry for about 5 minutes until deep brown and cooked right through. Use paper towels to drain any excess oil. Repeat the frying process with the remaining breaded chicken. And there you go, your keto fried chicken is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, be sure to check out the links in the description box for my favorite keto diet resources.